So right here, I'm gonna show you how to do a well pocket quick and easy. And I just already cut up some like muslin fabric really quick just to show you guys. So what you're gonna need is to cut like whatever your pocket is, and then this is pretty much what it's gonna look like in a sense. So I'm just gonna trace this line here, and let me get my ruler. And you guys can make the opening of however big you want it. I'm just doing this for an example purposes. So this is gonna be my sewing lines. I usually do like a 1/2 inch apart. And then this is gonna be a slice middle right there. All right, cool. So
how do you know how long it's supposed to be?
just you can measure by hand, like,
oh, okay,
you know what I
see,
mean. So like whatever your opening is. So my typical is like maybe I think 6 inches going by down. But again, if you're trying to make something small for like a pant pocket, you can make it smaller for loose change. So it's just a style and a technique to do it. So this is gonna be the front, and then this is, and that's what it looks like there. But this is gonna be the front, and then this is gonna be the back pocket. So once I'm done with it, we're gonna put it on like this. I just need another piece of fabric to kind of show you. So give me 1 second. So we have the sample, and now I'm gonna just show you how we're gonna apply this pocket on the inside. So, and it's just gonna have the welt here. So let's just bring this to the sewing machine. You can. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna place your pocket pattern here on the front of the fabric, and then you're gonna sew.
So you're gonna go down an inch?
What, where you place the pocket? Wherever. So I mean, it depends. Like this.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean? I'm just placing it on the pattern just for an example purpose. So what we're gonna do here, we're just gonna put it right here on this line. You should pin it, but you know, I'm just BSing right now, so just to show you guys. Don't forget to backstitch. But we're just gonna sew the line. Backstitch. Use a double foot. I'm gonna start up again here. Backstitch. Lift it down. And we're gonna backstitch right here. Pull it up. Cut the seams. So at this point, you should have 2 seams going down. So you can see that's there. And then what you want to do is you want to take a pair of scissors. Get a pair of scissors. Let me know when you record.
Ready.
All right, so what you want to do is get a pair of scissors. Slice right there. So now you got an opening. You can open this up. Shit. So what you're gonna do is slice that line right in the middle. And again, this is not perfect, but, and then right here, what you wanna do is then slice at the corners right there. And make sure you don't get any of the seams. So, go a little bit higher. All right, cool. So then you should have that. Oh, sorry. And then you're gonna go on the bottom side. Go down here. And the same thing. Slice on the corner. You're gonna make a little pizza slice right here. Boom. So now again, this you sew it on the front side, and then what you're gonna do is throw this in the inside like that, and then fold it in.
Whoa.
And then fold it in. Get it all in there. So on the inside of the garment, you should have a pocket like this. Boom. So then now, what you want to do is then press your seams all the way around so it stays there. But then you turn it around, you have the open. So this is step one pretty much. So then it'll look like that. Alright, so first thing you're gonna want to do, you see this pizza slice that we did? What you gonna press that down. And then we're just gonna press the pocket back. Be careful with the iron, this shit is fucking hot. That acting. Oh shit. I tell you, that boy is hot. Same thing with this side, get the pizza slice. And then boom. So, woo, goddamn. Perfectly edged up. You know, just for tutorial purposes, just to show you the Welt pocket, this is how you do it. Just like to, don't ever forget to press your seams. Oh shit, shit is hot. Okay. So then the next thing we're gonna do, and like I said, you're gonna need the other piece of fabric here. I actually cut this a little bit, made this a little bit too long. So what we're gonna do is cut it. You need to cut it, yeah. And you're gonna have it come maybe just a little bit of opening if you want. So you just have to have enough room for your hand, obviously, to open up in the opening. But we're just gonna sew this on there. But I'm gonna show you how to sew it. All right, so now we're just gonna place the pocket placement, the flap, I guess, the pocket flap. And this I'm gonna definitely finish it because we're gonna top stitch it. So I usually just pin all the way to the edge because I'm not going out that far out. Make sure this is alright, decent. Cool. So then, ultimately, once the pocket comes around, it'll be like that. So let's get the top stitching, baby. So let's actually go from the side. like to go as close as possible. And what I use is my sewing machine's feet to guide me. So I'll line it up to the fabric right there. And then, so we're gonna do that. With the back stitch. So we're gonna go there. And then we're gonna make a sharp 90-degree turn that way. Go here. Again, I'm just being a perfectionist at this point, but I'm gonna slow down. Take this pin out because I feel like, yeah, it's choking the fabric. All right, so then I'm gonna sew all the way down until we get to that point. To that point, stitch. The needle's already done. Just pick up the needle. So at this point, you should have this here, and if you guys want, you can cut off all this excess fabric that we don't need. Okay, boom. Get this off. Get this off. Cool. Nice, clean. And then now you have your pocket opening, but now we have to do the back pocket now, and it should be easy, squeezy, lemon peachy. So now let me get the other piece of the fabric, which is here. Let me line the fabric up real quick. So what we're first gonna do is we're just gonna sew this. All right, cool. So let's just sew the bag together really quick. Make sure you don't sew the back pockets and the back piece together. Okay, let's begin. Spin this around. Go back in. Spin this around. Bring it around town. Bang this left and stitch. Alright. Now, you may think that we're done, and I mean, you can finish right here, but what I like to do is I like to top stitch right here and then go back around one more time to have a clean, secure pocket. It's not gonna break, but if you wanna finish here, you can. Take all this starting off. Let me cut this off. And obviously you should clean it up and you don't want to have all of that, but this is a quick way of making your little pocket on your shorts. Ta-da.